Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I'm going to make a balloon pop game. But before that, I want to tell you something. And don't forget to share second channel, Bab Beta Vibes, which is coming soon. So let's continue. It's very simple. I will take this sprite balloon. Let's take a backdrop. Here, blue sky. And now we here go to the backdrop. Now go to the backdrops right here. Delete the previous backdrop. Ooh. Now go to here and go to this color and take no color like here. No color. And the outline pure black. And now color it, and it will be hard to draw it, so click here a few times. Now simple. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. It must be just perfect size for the balloon, like this. Now type here, change the color because the type won't be seen if the color won't be changed, and write click down here like this. And now put this text in your perfect position as you want, like this. I'll put it like this. Perfect. Now go to the balloon 1 code and ta-da! Let's code. Simple. Let's go to events. Take when flag is clicked. Then go to variables and make a new variable. Make it score. Okay, score. Now set my score to 0 like this. Now take when this sprite is clicked. So here we will go to variables, change score by 1, then start sound pop. Then go to control and put create a clone of myself, and then put delete this clone. So let's see. But there's a problem. The clone will just be right here. So let me solve the problem. Put when I start as a clone. Then put change color effect by 25, and then go to random position like this. Let's see. Click. And if I click here, this. Wow, there are so many balloons, and I can just take any balloon I want. Look, I have a lot of balloons now. These are too many balloons. And when I will click the flag, where are the balloons? Wow! So, conclusion. Conclusion is that when its flag clicks, set score to 0. Then, when the sprite is clicked, change score by 1 like this. Like this. The score is changed. The score is changed. And when I click, there's a sound pop. Now, create a clone of myself. Delete this clone. Means that I have created a clone of this thing. Then the balloon which had like this. I clicked it. The balloon made a clone of it and changed color effect by 25, and then the balloon deleted himself. And then when I start as a clone means when he is clicked, change color effect by 25. When the balloon is clicked, then another clone is become, then the color effect should be changed by 25. Then go to render position. So this was the conclusion. Click down here. And I can add as many balloons as I want. Look at this. Infinite balloons! If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. No, all the balloons. Ooh. No.